Okay, backyard farmer here. It's been about 2 weeks since I did a video for you guys, so let me give y'all an update what's going on back here in this backyard. I'm in Baltimore, so we've been getting a lot of crazy rain and wind and crazy storms. Actually, last night we had a strong storm come through here, and I'm gonna show you everything that happened. So I'm gonna go step by step, give y'all an update. And I just want to say thank you for everybody who subscribed so far, who have liked my channel. Thank you very much. So here's the update. So today I just put cantaloupe. Yes, I know I'm still planting stuff, right? The cantaloupe seed, I had bought some cantaloupe from the store and I saved the seeds and I planted them in this pot today. So we'll see what happens. The rain barrel from the, I got a, it's some in there, but not as much. So if I need to, when I turn on the sprocket, I gotta tilt it to get some water. So I saw on another post, so I'm making some homemade fertilizer. So all the weeds that's growing up around the yard, the flowers, and I took it and I let the rainwater flow. I had it open, let the rainwater flow in there. When they filled up, now I'm gonna let it steep for about 2 weeks and use that to water my plants. So that's some free food for the plants. Okay, so here I took some a couple days ago I took some runners from the strawberry, because one was coming out here. He was almost over here, so I had cut him and decided to plant it into that pot there. So we'll see what that do. This is the top of a pineapple, letting it grow some roots. This less than a week. Let that sit in some water, get some roots, and I'm gonna plant it in that pot there. Here's the compost bin. Decided to open it up since it's not raining. Let the sun hit it, steep it up, help break that stuff down to some soil. All right, here's the strawberry tower. I think the storm kind of damaged it a little bit because I don't see any buds coming in. Yeah, I don't. Those went dead. And I see something sprouting up, some type of herb, from when a cat came in and knocked it over. So I'm not sure what's going on with the strawberry, so that's why I took and put those two over here. Hopefully some flowers will come off of that. And this is the first herb tower that I planted, and things are sprouting up. I actually saw, what's this look like? I don't know what you are, but I'm about to cut you. You look like you did got a little disease or something. So I'm going to cut you. So yeah, this is the first. Here's the sage. You can smell the sage right here. You can actually smell it when you get close enough. And something is coming out. So yeah, that's the herb tower. I actually low-key kind of regret doing this. I saw a lot of people doing it on social media, and for small spaces this is the best way to grow herbs, but I'm kind of regretting it a little bit. I think next year I'm gonna just have each herb in their own individual container pot, like I had the mangoes over there. I think that's what I'll do next year. All right, here's the second tower that I put up. I guess because the rain kept coming down, what I had at the top, chives, it's not really coming in. The dill coming up. But it's I'm gonna see what it do. Let me see what it's gonna do. And these are the onions, the burgundy onions and the wild onions. I wonder if I have to put some more soil in it. It looked like it steeped down. I'm not sure, but they're coming up. And here's my lettuce. Don't look at the ones, not the ones on the ground. They was here before I got here, but here go the lettuce coming up. And Mary Jane. She got big. Look at how big she got. I had to take the cover off. But if you want to know more about this, you know what to do. Click on my other channel. Alright. Now my other video, I could have sworn I'm gonna tag that video, the other video I'm talking about, pre-garden setup number 4. I could have sworn I had put the green beans and the cucumbers in the same pot because I wanted them to use each other to climb up. But I see the green beans coming in this pot. I remember I had to soak the seed and come back and put the green bean in the pot later. But I guess I put it in the wrong pot because this is the cucumber over there in that pot and the carrots, and here go the green beans over here chilling. Yeah, no sun has made it up to this side of the yard yet, and I haven't felt like moving the pots. It's gonna be hot for the next about 8 days. It's gonna be in the 90s. Feel like it's in the hundreds. So I feel like after all that rain, my fruits and vegetables, they'll be alright. These are the gourmet greens. This is the zucchini. Something had broke off, so I had to see. This was leaning, but I think the sun gonna help it. And if you guys remember, this is from a piece of purple onion I bought from the store, and there was some root growing out of it, so I decided to plant it. And these are the peppers that I bought from the grocery store, and decided to plant those as well. And this is my winter squash. The storm came through, and this was leaning. One piece that broke off. See that right there? Yeah, one piece that broke off, and I tried to stick it into the dirt, but that ain't even work. See, there you go right there, yeah. And here go the mangoes. It's coming up. This one's really coming up. Yeah. I have another mango seed on there. I just need to get another pot for it. So, and the other one, it's coming up. Here's my cayenne peppers. And that was the basil from the kit I bought from the store. That got drenched. Just like the strawberry kit that I had bought down there. I put that in the blue. These are the bell peppers also that I had got from the grocery store. I had put like a whole, when you cut the center out with the seeds still in it. I didn't take the seeds, I just left it still attached to the pepper, and I just planted all 3 of them into the soil. So look at that. This was about a week ago I did this. Yeah. So, alright. Excuse me. This is how the garden is progressing so far. I have faith. Only thing I'm questioning is the tower there. I think I should have just gave them their own individual pot. The green, I did pluck 2 of them off like I did last year, so it'll trick the plant into producing more and bigger and faster. So, like I said, those are the cucumbers. I believe this is the beets and Swiss chard, and that's the cherry tomatoes and the sweet peppers. And look like I ain't gonna have no strawberries this year. Hopefully those seeds I planted, cantaloupe will come in. I can see by the way the yard is, I ain't getting that much sun on this side of the tower, so I'm gonna have to rotate it. Alright, so everything is progressing good. That's some gunk from the, at least it ain't in the water. Alright, so there we go. That's what I got so far. This is the strawberry kit I was telling you about. It got drenched in the rain. I tried to hide it a couple. Sometimes I couldn't do it. I forgot and filled with water. Hopefully this will give me some strawberries. And hopefully I can get a pineapple. So this is the progress so far. I just gotta go get another pot. I have another mango seed I need to plant, and I haven't seen any of my avocado seeds sprouted yet. So I'm praying that they come through, because I definitely want to have a mango and an avocado tree in 4 years. Start the day, and 4 years later, I'm like, oh, I got my own mango and my own avocado I can eat. All right, so thank you guys again. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please comment, subscribe, and like I said, 2025 gardening. Thank you.